On a rainy day, a stray mother cat appeared at a woman's doorstep carrying a tiny kitten in her mouth. Without hesitation, the woman opened the door and welcomed them inside. The kitten was soaking wet and shivering from the cold, so she gently dried its fur and fed it a warm bottle of goat's milk. The tiny kitten looked so weak and fragile, but after drinking, it peacefully fell asleep in its mother's arms. As the days passed, the kitten slowly grew stronger. It was incredibly sweet, well-behaved, and never made a mess around the house. The woman quickly fell in love with the little one and decided to adopt both cats. From that moment on, they would never have to feel hungry or cold again. She named the kitten Oliver. Oliver continued to grow until he became a healthy, playful, and very funny cat. Now Oliver looks almost exactly like his mother. They are so similar that it can be difficult to tell them apart. Can you guess which one is Oliver?